Bye.
Bye.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Give me your laptop back.
The lift is working now, Mr. Samir.
Do I need to take the staircase in order to carry it?
What's wrong with you, Gopu? Your sister has left? Isn't he the same guy who came here even the last time to drop Shikha? Anyway, it's good. Now at least you will concentrate on your work instead of concentrating on Shikha.
What is this? Why did the snarl up have to happen today?
Why, Mr. Samir? You need to reach somewhere?
Your house. I have promised your dad that I'll drop you home on time. Since I've taken the responsibility, I have to fulfill it.
But what's your fault?
Maybe it's not my fault, but we will be late.
No problem. Let me call up Dad and I'll inform him that we are going to be late. That's not a problem.
No, Shika.
Let me call up Dad and inform him that there's a bad traffic jam and we'll be late.
Don't call him now. Your dad would get worried for no reason. Let me go and check. You sit here.
But Mr. Samir,
I'll be right back.
shall we go?
Sir.
Tell me, Raghu.
Sir, I have collected lots of information about Samir.
What information?
He runs his own software company. His dad is a retired government officer. They have shifted to the city not long ago. Sir, there is nothing suspicious about him. I think he is a good person. And yes, I think he is close to Gupta family.
How do you know that?
I saw him with Shikha Gupta. He dropped her home after office.
Samir dropped Shikha Gupta home from office.
Yes.
Raghu,
Yes.
call up Shikha's father. Tell him that tomorrow morning I want to meet him in the police station.
Okay, sir.
Sudha, at least you could have called her. It's already 7:30 p.m. Shika hasn't returned yet. Could you get through to her, dear?
Yes, Dad. Her phone is ringing.
Here, Shikha's come. Didn't I tell you?
Hi, sister.
Hello.
Dear, what happened? You were so late.
Dad, in JP Road. Thank you. There was such a bad traffic jam at JP Road, you should have seen. Just Samir got off his car and controlled the traffic. Otherwise, we would still have been stuck there. In fact, more than me, Mr. Samir was worried about dropping me home on time.
Samir, why don't you sit?
Mom must be waiting for me at home over dinner. I take your leave.
You are very attached to your mom, right?
Yes, I'm very attached to her, but she doesn't wait for anything. And I told you in the morning, tomorrow I'll have breakfast with you for sure.
Okay, dear.
Okay, Shikha. Tomorrow 8 a.m. Okay, Mr. Gupta. Okay, dear. May God bless you. Bye, Vineet.
Bye.
Bye, Mahi. Samir. Thanks. My pleasure, sir.
What are you having?
Salad. Why don't you have some?
Obviously. Shaitan, come.
Go, go, go.
Come on, come.
Shikha, how was your day today?
Very good, Dad.
Did you have any problems?
No problems. Do you know, Dad? Mr. Sameer came all the way to my office reception to drop me.
Really?
Didn't I tell you? Now go and freshen up. I'll serve dinner.
Okay. Let me have a look.
Forget the traffic. Do you know what happened at the office?
What happened?
We reached on time. Can you believe that?
Poor guy. Didn't you tell him anything?
I did, but he didn't listen.
Oh. What are you saying?
Seriously?
So sweet.
Yeah.
That was sweet.
Hello.
Is this Mr. Avinash Gupta?
Yes. Who are you?
Inspector Nayak wants you at the police station tomorrow morning.
Is everything all right? I mean, did you find out anything about that stalker?
You please come here tomorrow morning. Inspector will tell you each and everything.
Oh, okay, I'll come.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nayak.
Mr. Gupta, welcome. Take a seat. Raghu,
Yes.
get tea.
No, sir, no need for
No
tea.
problem. Have it. So, Miss Shikha is going to the office again? So, we keep information about everything related to the case. It's my job, sir.
Yes, sir. How long can I keep her at home? That is why...
It's good.
Sir, did you find out anything about that stalker?
No, not yet, Mr. Gupta. But your younger daughter, Mahi, created that fake account. We have found out that. Don't worry, Mr. Gupta. I will not get into that. It's your family matter. You didn't tell us, so forget it.
Thank you, sir. I rebuked Mahi for it, sir. I rebuked her.
It's okay. Well, Mr. Gupta, tell me that this guy is Sameer. What do you think about him?
Sameer?
Look, Mr. Gupta, we keep information about everything related to the case.
Sir, Sameer is a decent guy. He is from a good family.
Since when do you know him?
Has not been long. I met him the first time due to Shikha's fake account. But sir, I can say that he is a very good guy. In fact, I have met his parents too. And we have good relation with them.
We too inquired about him. Everything seems right. But still, I thought that I should take your opinion about him.
Shaitan, get my bag.
Please come in, Sameer.
Greetings, ma'am.
Greetings.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, wow. Poha.
Shikha? Shikha, come fast.
Mmm. The poha is very delicious, ma'am.
I'll just be back.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Shall we go?
Won't you have breakfast?
No.
You know, Samir, Shikha already had her breakfast.
I don't want you to get late for office because of me.
Let's go.
What if the lift is out of order even today?
Good morning, Mahi.
Good morning.
Shall we go?
Okay. Shaitan? Good boy. Good boy. Bye, Mom. Bye, Mahi.
Bye.
Look there! That's Shikha Gupta! That is Shikha Gupta!
Here is
that's
Miss Shikha Gupta.
Miss Shikha!
Here is Miss Shikha Gupta.
Miss Shikha!
Shikha Gupta.
Miss
Miss
Shikha.
Shikha
She's the
Gupta.
one. She's the
Oh,
one.
there's one question, Shikha!
Shikha.
Can you tell us who splashed ink on you?
Can you tell us who was he?
Miss Shikha, why don't you speak something?
Tell us, Shikha!
Miss
Miss
Shikha.
Shikha,
Hey,
please
move,
tell us.
please, move.
Shikha,
Please, let us go. What are you
Answer,
doing?
Shikha.
Please, please. This is not the way. Stop recording. Please stop recording.
Sir, would you like to say something? Do you know anything about this?
Please tell us! You answer it, sir! You have to answer!
Please,
Shed
sir,
some
tell
light
move
on
away,
this.
please.
Look at
Move
this.
away.
I have a photograph. You can clearly see. Why are you quiet, Shikha? Please tell us.
Miss Shikha, why don't you speak anything?
Tell us, Shikha.
Please tell us,
Shikha,
sir.
you have to answer.
Please tell us.
We
Tell
want
us
to know
the
the
truth.
truth.
Tell us the truth. Stop it. What the heck is this? Can't you understand? This is no way to talk. Stop recording. I said leave us alone.
You broke my camera.
Click our photos now. Do it. Do it now. Is there anyone else who wants to click photographs? How about you? 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 Will you? If anyone troubles her now, I'll break your head too. Miss Shikha, are you okay? Miss Shikha, please. Let it go, please. Forget it. Miss Shikha, you are a brave girl. You are very strong. Please don't let this weaken you. Please forget it. And please smile. Smile once. Please. Otherwise, Otherwise, I won't drive. And if I don't drive, you will be late for work. Think about it, Miss Shikha. All right, don't smile. I'm not driving.
बिन मांगी कोई दुआ है तू, जो दिखता है वो खुदा है
Yay! I win! I win! I win! I win! I win!
बिन मांगी कोई दुआ है तू, जो दिखता है वो खुदा है तू, मेरी खुशियों का जहां है तू, और क्या मांगू मिला है तू, करके तुझसे ये दिल की बातें, बदला दिन बदली मेरी रातें, कैसे एक पल भी तेरे बिन गुजारूं, मैं ना भूलूंगी, मैं ना भूलूंगी, मैं ना भूलूंगी.
I'm late today. It's already 10:30 a.m. I hope Miss Shikha has not left for the office. Sorry, Miss Shikha, I'm late today. I couldn't wake up as the alarm didn't ring. You didn't get ready yet. Are you not going to the office today?
Mr. Sameer, I don't go to office on Sundays. But since you are insisting so much, I can go and get ready. Shall I do that?
Sorry, Miss Shikha, today is Sunday. I absolutely forgot that.
Come inside. Come on.
Hey, Sameer. Greetings, sir. Come, dear, come. May God bless you. Please sit. What is the matter? Are you going to the office on Sunday too? Mr. Gupta, it has happened for the first time that I forgot it's Sunday. Not a problem, dear. Come, sit down. Sure.
Hey, Sameer.
Greetings, ma'am.
Greetings, dear. God bless you.
Good morning. Hey, today's Monday. I had my exam today. Mom, at least you should have reminded me.
Just look at him. Silly boy he is.
Sudha, what is this? It's cheese and bread again. Today is Sunday. Prepare something special. Said today I'll prepare something really good for you all. No, Sameer, just relax. Sudha will prepare seriously, something. Sir, a couple of days back I learned how to make pizza from my mom. Really? Okay then. Sir, I'll get the pizza ready in around 25 minutes.
Sameer, why are you taking the trouble?
Ma'am, I request you should try my pizza.
Fine. Shikha, go help him in the kitchen.
Okay. Come on.
Sudha, let them make the pizza. Meanwhile, I'll go take a shower.
Okay, I'll have your clothes ready.
Sudha, is something burning? Oh no! Sameer, has something burnt? Sorry, sir.
Good morning. What is this, Sameer?
Actually, I was preparing pizza and it got burnt.